What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, you know Rose, you understand Rose Sham done on Mobay side, my people. If you all know, you know, say Rose, you know what I mean, recently we did say video release, you understand, we're talking about this video where experts saying that this video, my people.
Expert says they chop up Rose like chicken.
Oh yes, man, that
Go back in office. We don't know one day. Now back in office. We now work for money 5 people.
You know, splash dash or something.
Saying us, he's serious then, man. That's why I'm going over that side there.
in the power.
Chicken.
Eh?
You going to chop up chicken?
Eh? Say one to your face get damaged too.
So, look, the list were experts and my people. Basically, that's when them did attack Rose, you understand? And experts say, yo, boy, if you ever see when them cut up chicken, this are how Rose look, my people. You understand? So, boy, a lot of people say, boy, them not think Rose are going to make it. And if you hear the people must say the part where them put her in the hospital around there, so that look like Cornwall Regional Hospital, my people, at the part where serious thing they like her is a life and death situation. But no, my viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? Recently now, I see a video drop. You get me? I say, and this is Rose. I'm not going to say, yo, you know what I mean? She never get attacked or nothing. But based on the fact that we expert did attack, my people say, oh, you do chicken and something. I expect say Rose face or hand them or body I go stay a certain way and something, my people. But I'm telling them, I say, Rose right now, my viewers and subscribers. And this is the video where I talk about. So Rose live in action, just release the people.
Yeah, people, sorry, you guys been asking for her every day. Every day when you text me, ask for Rose. See her here? She finally out. She's finally. She get 3 stab in her, but I think I want she did get. See her there, guys. I soon go live, I'm gonna see her and talk to her. Welcome back home. Yeah, man. God be the glory, you know? You know? You alright? And you see what she do as she reach, she smoke.
Some viewers and subscribers, that is Rose. You understand? I puff her look a cigarette in her hand, see a look a cigarette in her hand and thing. But when I say basically, Rose did get attacked in her back. You know what I mean? You can hear the person in the background. It's like she get 3 joke in her back, my people, and thing. Which is a sad situation anyway you take it. But I'm grateful for no say it wasn't a situation based on the expert attack or when I cut up chicken. Because if you look when you cut up chicken, my people, you say you have a leg over there, so you have a wing over there, so you have a tie over there, so you understand. So you that expect say she stay away and you would maybe see her walk again, you would maybe see her with a hand again or something, people, the way or make it things sound. But grateful by the mercy of Jah, my people, she not stayed away there. You understand? She did get attacked for real, you know, based on one local eat, one local consumption, one local ramsumption, my people. And I don't know if some problem them have or something, my people, why somebody that really attack a person with a knife like Rose, my people. Because anybody in them right mind that know say Rose, you understand, she have a condition, my people. So she's not a normal person like a normal person would really be with certain things, my people. She have a condition and you have to respect a person who you know says not naturally stable like me or like you understand? So some people is just different, especially some mankind people. They are different, you understand? Because you find out sometimes some man, they will put themselves with certain type of people, and no matter how these people look, no matter how them steer, them not care, them not check my people, them will just put themselves to them, you know what I mean? But I really love it because you know some of the vlog before with Rose and expert and them thing, them people. So the other day when this thing they do occurred, me never said them because me never want to go and spread the news and say, yo boy, the man them cut out Rose like chicken and this and that without me get some credible information about it, my people. But now that me see Rose in present now and the way how she look now, she never get not like no chicken and things. So expert just chat off him out this and run off him out, and you get what me I say, but grateful for no say she not stay that way there. Oh, expert and make it look, my people. So just big up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers, and just to keep on inform and make you understand what really are going on. You understand? So basically two of them make it sound like Rose did that got dead or she dead. But no, basically you can say Rose, she has risen from the dead, my people. She has risen from the dead. Rose is alive and well. Give thanks to Jah. So just remember to do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. And you don't know, say one team of people, one dream and one scheme. And just be safe out there and just do the right thing, my people. Peace out. Blessings. Stay safe. Attack them NEWLINK. Blessings. Big up.